Hi students, coming to the next topic in the subject software engineering was a risk management. So if you are dealing with any project, if you are going to develop any product, so you can came across some risk. So that risk may be a positive or a negative impact on the project. So if you succeed something by overcoming the risk, you will get a positive impact, means you will success. So if you want to try to solve the risk, sometimes it may leads to the negative impact on the project also. Now let us see what is a risk. Risk is an uncertain event. You call it as an uncertain event. Uncertain event that may have positive or negative impact on project. It leads to good or it leads to bad. Risk is an uncertain event that may have positive or negative impact on project. Then what about the risk management? What do you call this risk management? Actually, the risk management is the process of identifying and migrating the risk. So the way you are identifying the risk and the way you are migrating the risk, you call it as a risk management. Means you are following some techniques to solve the risk, to identify the risk and to solve the risk. So that you call it as risk management. So why is it important? Why this risk management is important? Let me write that. Why is it important? Is it necessary to know about the risk in the project? Yes, it is necessary. The risk affects all aspects of your project. So it affects all aspects, all the fields, all the modules of your project. That is your budget, it is going to be affect your budget. It is going to be affect your schedule. Sometimes it may, with this risk, the project has to be extended. The schedule will be changed. Okay, in your budget, it may sometimes it may leads to high rather than your expectations. From your expectations, it leads to high. Your budget, your schedule, your scope, everything will be affected. So that's why you have to be managed risk carefully. The risk management is a process of identifying and migrating the risk. So if you want to develop any project, you have to know about the risk management also. Is it if you say, is it important? Yes, it is important because it affects all your aspects of your project, like your budget, your schedule and your scope. So increasing the probability of positive event, it reduces the occurrence of negative event also. So what does it include? What risk management will be included? Now let us see. Risk in project management. So what are the risks that are involved in the project management? Risk in project management. So there are different risks that are present in the project management. I am writing about those risks. So totally you are having six risk in project management. So those are plan risk management. So the risk management while you're planning the project. So if you're trying to plan the project, if you're doing the starting step of your project, there should be a risk. So you have to take care about that risk. So plan risk management, identify risk, qualitative risk analysis, qualitative risk analysis, quantitative risk analysis, planned risk response, monitor and control risk. So these are the risks in project management. The project management, so you are dealing with any project. If you want to execute that project, a management team has to face some risks. So what are the risks they are going to be faced? Plan risk management, identifying the risk, qualitative risk analysis, quantitative risk analysis, plan risk response, monitor and control risk. So they have to take care about all these risks while they are developing any project. So in the next video, I'll explain about all these risks that are present in this project management. Thank you.